Hello all, today we'll see installing Oracle Linux 8. So I will be using the Oracle VirtualBox. So this is my Oracle VirtualBox. So let's go ahead and install Oracle Linux 8. So let's click on new. I will create a name here. I will make a name Oracle Linux, Oracle Enterprise Linux, and I will select a location. So location can be this one. Click on next. I will give 12 GB of memory as I have enough memory, and I will take two processes. Click on next. Hard disk, I will use around 150 GB of hard disk. It's a virtual hard disk. Click on next and finish. So I have not selected the operating system image. Let's select it now. So choose this. These are my different softwares, Oracle Linux softwares. So I will be clicking on this one, R8. This is the Linux 8. Open and let's start. You will be seeing this type of window. Install Oracle Linux 8. So here I will be selecting English language. Before that, we need to do some settings here. Let me do that. I'm unable to point my mouse properly. I will show you what we need to do. I will close this. Power of the machine. Okay, here if we see the settings, in the settings we need to use multi-touch tablet, and networking I will use a bridge adapter network. I think that should be fine. Yeah, here I will be using bridge adapter network. Click on OK and let's start it again. Okay, I will select the language as English. Continue. So let's make the screen bigger. Installation, uh, custom. I will select the custom installation. Okay. So let me show you the installation. So we need to click on installation. Here I will be selecting custom and select the disk. Click on done. Here I will be using standard partitioning I need to select. Click on OK. Custom, I clicked on custom standard partitioning. It is not allowing. Okay. Slash, I will be giving 15,000 here, add mount point, and then again slash U01. I will be taking 50 GB here, around 50 GB, and slash U02. I will be taking around 50,000 MB here, and I will be taking the swap. Swap I will be giving around 10,000. And boot, I will be taking the boot as well. Let's give it 5,000. I think we have enough now. Slash swap boot. Yeah, that's it. So we have more 23 GB. I will increase this to 58 and U02 to 58. That should be fine. Accept changes. Software selection. I will be using server with GUI. That should be fine. And the root password we need to provide root. So I think we are good. Let me change the time zone. Asia Kolkata, as we are working from India. Done. Networks we can select it later. I think that's all. So let's begin the installation. I will pausing the video here. So once this installation is completed, I will show you the screen again. So in the meantime, please like and subscribe to my channel. That will be helpful for me. Still 388 packages are need to be installed. Let's wait. Okay, we are done. So the installation is completed. Let's reboot our system. We need to accept the license. Done. Finish configuration. It's asking me to create one user. So with this, we can say our Oracle Linux 8 installation is completed. So let's make this screen big. Settings. Done. So with this, Oracle Linux installation is completed. Let's see how we enable the internet here. Mm, Networks. If I go into networks, I will make it connect automatically, apply, and I will start this. So I took the auto connection, and in IPv4 I enabled the automatic, so it will assign one automatic IP address using DHCP. So this is the IP address. The IP address is 192.168.1.8. Okay, now let's open one terminal here. Let's ping www.google.com. Now I'm unable to ping my network. Let's see. 192.168.1.1, 192.168.1.1. Let's see. Uname minus A. So it's Enterprise Linux 8. With this, we say our Enterprise Linux 8 is completed, installation is completed. We'll see in our next session how to enable the network. Fine. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.